So I was scrolling on Google Earth, looking for new places to explore, when I came across an abandoned community nestled at the foothills of the John Crow Mountains in eastern St. Thomas. Now, digging deeper, I discovered that in 2022, only 27 residents were left in the area. Driven by curiosity, I decided to venture out and explore this community for myself. But little did I know how far uphill I would have to climb and just how deep into the wilderness this community truly was.
Nobody not around here.
You call yourself Mount Felix. Everything must be there. Same way.
The old ruins
Because
then.
see the place them there. And see house see the power hillside like.
Oh.
You understand what I mean? I just
So
go
how
up
far
there.
from the bridge?
It's a good walk, you know.
Yeah guys, so after reading about the Mount Felix community in the Gleaner, the September 3rd, 2022 Gleaner, I decided that I wanted to come and see for myself because it has been listed as an abandoned community with only, at the time there was only 27 people remaining in the community. So now I'm curious as you know and we're gonna see for ourselves, alright? So follow me. Yeah guys, it's the first time I'm coming to Mount Felix. I read about it in the paper and I just had to come and see this community for myself because I've always been curious as to why these communities get abandoned. Okay? That's the house over there. And we're not even up in the community as yet because down here is populated. Alright, so head up in the community. It's a lovely day. It was raining just now and at one point I was thinking that I would not be able to make it as I wasn't even prepared for this hike either. I went on the road to do other business. I was finished early and I decided that I should just come and get this done. Show you guys. Alright. And as usual guys, we have multiple hills to climb. Yeah, it's rainy weather. But anyway, follow me. That's the river down there. Another part of the community over there. Wow, look at this guys. Beautiful. And it's really cool today. Yeah? I really appreciate that because we have a little distance to walk. So we're heading to the abandoned community of Mount Felix. I'll see if there is anyone still living in that community. If we can find someone to talk to, maybe they could give us some information as to why this community was abandoned. Yeah? Because if 2022 it was only 27 people living in the community, I think it would be less, because the roads have only gotten worse from what I've heard. Yeah? Yeah guys, so it seemed like we reached one day, but back to the road now. Yeah guys, so Mount Felix was what you call a plantation settlement, yeah, where workers on the plantation would normally get places to live. After 1835, after 1834, after emancipation, it was people who were seeking land and to get away from the plantation life. So they moved down from the hills or off the flat and go up into those communities. And what we're gonna notice is that, so where I come from, is that a lot of these houses up the side, they were made from in the 1800s. There are a lot of ruins up there, guys. I'm just not finding the location on the map, and I think it's because planters used to live there also. Yeah, but there's an old church that was built in 1857. There was a school up there also, even before this road that we're walking on was cut. Because I think this road was cut in somewhere in 1905 where you could drive. It was just a track. Yeah, but as we go along, I will give you more information about Mount Felix. Up on hill we go, guys. And well, you know, so guys, you know, today I really decided that today I wanted to do something easier, right? So I never did I go in the bush today because I was tired from the hiking the other day. And I said, alright, I do Mount Felix because it's an abandoned community. I'm not supposed to have no hill to climb or no bush to go in. But yeah, we have just started. We have just started and we already can see say we have to have that to deal with. Yeah? Let's see. Yeah guys, sometimes y'all tell me about my breathing. I mean I tell you, sometimes I'm tired man. You know. You see, this is I think the 6th vlog or 7th since I've started to come back out in the field, and I've taken almost a 2-year break, and that is why a lot of people are saying, where have I been, why they haven't been seeing any content. And it seems that YouTube does not promote the content if I do other content like the narrated content that I do. But as for the avid viewers of the channel, y'all know that I upload on a regular basis. There are just not a lot of vlogs. However, for this year and moving forward, we'll be more focusing on the outdoor vlogs. Alright? Look on that hill. Beautiful landscape. From that hill where I come from now. So I go up the road. Yeah. And this is a place where I look, you know, my research, I look on one site. I think of the Gleaner. I don't really want to saw the Gleaner. I don't remember if I for them site. I was looking on a site and I saw where someone was coming up here and they got pictures of cows in the road. So, yeah. See him up there, so I met nice. That's a dog. And these dogs for some reason don't like me. Yeah. A lot of mangoes. So I'm really interested in seeing the ruins that are up here. The church and the overseer's house and stuff like that. Yeah. So I can't tell you guys if this one is gonna be a hard one or an easy one because we never come up here say it. I thought it would have been easy, but I start to see hill already. And roost up on the hillside. Beautiful hillside over there. Wow, look at that greenery. Big up to the farmer who plant them or the banana. I can't know them different from this side, from so far. Them look like planting still, don't guys? You let me know in the comment section. Yeah. Whole building up there, so. And our building was right there. Have a look. Wow. A really old building was right there. See step there guys. Now go over there still. Because I see nobody. And this is the other part. And here the bike I go round in the bush up there, so it look like we really have a distance to go. And I still like a piece of ruins down in the gully down there. I see it again. I just see that I see something still. I don't know, I'm going off track today. I'm not dressed for the weather either. And I spoke about this in several abandoned community videos that I did, you know, about the brain drain that causes people to move out of these communities. Because you see, first it can be the light or the water, and then because of that, people normally, because of the problem to get kids to school on time, people send their kids away to live in Kingston or send them abroad. When these kids get older, majority of the times they move their parents out of the community, and then you find everybody will move out of the community, and it will only leave those that really decide to stay or can't do otherwise. Yes, so I'm going up in this community of Mount Felix because I am curious to find someone to speak to in this community before it is completely dead, where they can tell me exactly what's the causes for these people to move out of the community, if them know, you understand? Or if they have family who have moved out, they would be in a better position to tell me. So that's basically what we're trying to do today. And at the same time, I want to show you all these ruins and see if we can get them documented, because I can't seem to find any listing of them on my map. Alright, I'm just finding information about them being there, but no listing of owners or anything like that. Alright, so hopefully we can get us some information in the community. Gonna follow me. And thank you all for being here. I really do appreciate the support I've been getting over the past videos. Really do appreciate the support. And as I say, I'll always do my endeavor best to always bring you quality content for the time you spend watching. Alright, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, you can do so now, because you already have watched, though. And if you haven't given this video a thumbs up as yet, you can do it now, because that really does help the channel. Alright, so yeah, wanna walk with me. Beautiful hillside over there. Then we have gully down there, so precipice. So guys, this was a main road, you know. Yeah, this was a well polished main road. However, it has been abandoned for so long, and it has now come down to this. Yeah. So guys, the journey should be around 4.25 miles, but that's say we have about 3 miles left, because me been a walk. Yeah, and I'm trying not to film all of the journey, because I think we have a lot to see up in Mount Felix. Alright, so yeah, if you're here with me, let me know in the comment section down below, and thank you again for joining. Yeah man, let's walk. The road I go around there, so I don't know what road they're going on. I'm gonna go around there. Look like a cemetery. And look. You see me always as I'm gonna go somewhere. I'm still end up I go. It's a cemetery. Look like a newer cemetery still, guys. But I don't think I have to go over there, so there are no ruins around here. Alright, so right head further up to the community. down that's where I come from, guys. Yeah. Chocolate tree. And go over here, so. This deep, you know, guys. It's deep, you're funny. Channel. It's deep. Yeah. One thing with these places, although I have water in them bags still, you don't have to worry about water because there are always springs and little rivers and little springs that run in these areas. So we go further up. So guys, we should be up in Mount Felix in a bit. Yeah. At least we still see one road. So yeah, run away. Hillside. You see that? Fog that, you know, guys. If the rain hold me up right now, it'll be nice. I'll be raincoat still. But these places, guys, are one of the rather cool communities where it always look like this most of the time. And that's one of the things will make it bad too, because you can't know when the rain really ever fall. Different from when it's just looking like this. Yeah. Now look there. See if I go over there, so. You see how far we go, guys. We up in some hills today, you know. I'm loving this. Yeah. So we're in the hills above Sunning Hill. And we are going in search. Well, not in search. We are going to the Mount Felix community, the abandoned community of Mount Felix. Yeah. See if we can find anybody to talk to and let us know why that community is abandoned. Also, I'll be trying to show you the ruins that are up there from the plantation buildings. I haven't got those on my map. I have no information about them. We just know them there. So until I find them, I really can't say nothing. There should be, what I'm sure of that is there, is a church that was built in 1827 or 1857 here, and a school. So I'm gonna try to find those. Alright. So that's how we go up. Be a precipice up here. Now look there. You see how that deep? That deep, yo. Yeah. That's the road coming up on. And it's all uphill. I'm showing something. Look there. How deep was that, you know? Yeah, peeps. Very deep boy. Look like it run from up here, so come out of the hill. Run out of the hill and come down and go over here, so. Because I don't see no call boat, look like the call boat block up a few over there, so. I none wasn't here. Yeah, so I go further. Yeah guys, so I can pick up the speed now because the hill kind of get flat one way. Yeah. No matter the type of shoes you wear, them stones are just slidey. I love these little parts, so I come to the corner and I can see stuff like that over there, so yeah. Type beauty in the comment section if you're loving the beauty. I want to see nothing yet, you know. Wait till we reach up top. Because if we're seeing it so good from down here, imagine when we reach up further. That must be beautiful. What do you think? Let me know while I'm going to walk. Sound like me here talking. Is this the first house? Seems like someone lived here. Yeah. Gotta go up further. Yeah, these are some real hills. Well guys, I realize I think about it a 8 mile I go walk, you know. 4 gone 4 coming, you know. Because I look a bit over 4 go. Just that coming back will be easier. Because I downhill. So I'm all over there, so. And look at the views. I don't know why I'm there, I don't see that. So I can't let me know. Oh, I see. Because I'm still there, when I reach home and I edit yet. And look there, guys. Be a hill, you know? Yeah. Look there. They're pretty. Here we go further. Let's see how the road's there. No wonder no one wants to live here. You can't drive on the road there. Them place so cause all landslide, you know, peeps. Yeah. Them thing that will cause landslide. I respect all of the people who still live on Mount Felix. Because most likely them have to walk up and down. Because I don't think taxi come up here. So another gully right there. Up the hill and round the corner, and there's a next hill and a next corner. I'm loving it. Yeah, I get my exercise. Look like a house was up there. It's not up there anymore. I'm car about here, run under the road. I'm going to over here, so I don't know one gully. Down there, so it's a deep gully. Oh, my house still up there. Yeah, my house up there look like somebody live up there. Next gully down, so some deep gully up here, no peeps. Piece of wall over there, so look like that good little road down out of the hill. And car about water for go through. So the road sink, that's why. The road sink, that's why the car bought that up out of the road like that. The road was lower. The road was higher. Sorry. And just hills, you know, guys. Yeah, man. I'm gonna type hike in the comment and give me a little strength to hike. Yeah? Bamboo. So, piece of wall there. Be a gully run off of them hill there. It's over there, over the hillside. Hear people talk. Next truck gone up there, so like one horse was up there. Maybe I'm around the corner, we can see if one horse is up there. Yeah, my house definitely up there. See the foundation there. You see the foundation, guys? Let me know if you don't see it. See there? So I will sit up there. I go further up, go more see all the house them. Could be all a graveyard up there, so you know. And this is another, like a grave over here. House foundation. Or here it's a grave. Yeah. Family plots. It look like they are both family plots. So right further up by the community. I reach on across road, there's something I know what we're going now, guys. Let's see if the GPS work up here. So. Oh, it's a house, it's not a crossroad. Blessed elder. There I pass. I document the community. Can I get 2 words? Can I get 2 words? But your knowledge of the community. Yeah, they're on that now. Alright, family. Who name Boilu? Oh. Okay. I just asked me to ask about the... Yeah, I do history and archaeology.
Oh, me know that, man.
Yeah, man. But you see, I just don't want to know, like, much people left in our community, why community abandoned and them things. I just let me to ask you, is it?
Oh, why they abandoned? You can't tell why abandoned now, a long time, them people are there.
Oh.
Just evacuate, and me did go foreign too.
Okay.
The whole of it did go. That foreign me come from the other day, see me to come back in the man. And come back in the bush.
Okay. I feel like from my observation.
If you go among Phillies and come up, maybe Boilu will come, maybe Boilu will go on the camera.
Alright. That would be great. So respect, yeah? Yeah, man. Yes, a lot of stuff building up there too.
Up here? Yeah, man, and whole heap of cemetery all about in a woodland here.
Alright.
Where they have my grounds over there yesterday. And I first never see that the cemetery there.
Old cemetery.
Yeah, man, whole heap of people buried in it, man. One shop that, you know.
This right here, sir?
Yes, and so next shop there. Up there.
And next shop up here, sir?
Yes, right up where dog there. You go there, see old building, old veranda, so old something there.
Dog now bite?
I see the church up there, so there.
Where the church? I church up there, sir?
Yes.
The dog now bite? Alright. May I go up at church?
I got church, you're gonna come back and shop there.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. This is the church that I heard about. And it's the first building that I found. I mean, I just see ruins in a bush about up here. Well, I heard it before, and it's been confirmed. This is the old church, but I doubt if this is the church that I have read about. Yeah, because the church I read about was built in sometime in 1857. That's the inside of the church, guys. It's locked, so I won't be going inside. Yeah, this look like blocks, so I don't think this is the old church that I'm looking for. Yeah, it should be older than this, or maybe they had built it, they had rebuilt it, because these things look new. Yeah, that is the back of it. I'm not sure if this is the one I'm looking for though. It should be older. And I'm seeing a grave right here. Let's see these graves. What's on these graves? It seems these are newer graves. Thelma Scott, 1993. Yeah, let's look at the other one. 1987. What's that? Cynthia Wilson, R.I.P. Let's see the other one. Maruda Scott. I'm not seeing that properly. I'll see it once I get home though. As me say, the camera see better than me. 1951. So it seems it's just family coming right down. Are members of the church. 1943. So the further down you come, it's the older the graves. So I think a older part of the church should be at the back then. Yeah, one older part around there. Not sure if there are other buildings here. I go see the shop now. That's interesting, but I don't think this is the church that I'm looking for. You know, there should be an older church. And that's the shop over there. This is a part of the shop, guys. Yeah. Start down in the gully. Recipe. That's a piece of the shop here, and if you notice, it is built on older foundation. It could be from the 1800s. And a piece of wall right here, so too. Let's show you that. Piece of old wall right here, so. So this is the shop that he's speaking about. You can see it's built on older foundation, see older wall there. But a lot of people live in the area, but they are not really familiar with the history of the area, apart from what they've learned. Yeah. One yard up there?
Yeah,
Ma-
man.
Alright. Alright, respect. Yeah, guys, so we have a look for Uptown. Yeah. Mud peeps. Mud. It's a sign. Under new management, trespassers will be prosecuted. Yeah. You get the guides too, so now go. Press it down this, you know. It's a precipice. Mud. This is a big hill. This is a big hill. So guys, this look like it far, you know. I'm gonna go Mount Felix yet, you know, guys. You know, I turn back and go Mount Felix first. Yeah, better me do this when I come back. Something tell me, Sophie, leave that till I come back. Go with that, you know, guys. Yeah, man, I'll leave that till I come back. If y'all wanna see the rest of Mount Felix first, and do that one house and we'll come back, let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah. Alright, so I do the rest of Mount Felix. So guys, we finally have some downhill. So I go down the hill. And as I always say in these videos, in St. Thomas, I would say it's the second safest parish. But communities like these are very safe. Yeah? They're just isolated, but safe. These people are loving, you know? Yes, man. Now this is downhill, I have to be careful not to slide. Yeah, guys, and if you search for Mount Felix on Google or on the internet, you will find that Mount Felix is said to be at the foot of the Jonquera Mountains. So that gives you an idea as to where we are. Yeah. So we climbed so high, where we had was to go down. Because once you reach the top, you know, there's nowhere to go but down. Yeah. So it looks as if we just come out over a mountain ridge and going down into a valley like. I think that's it. Or maybe we have more hill to climb, but he referred to Mount Felix as down there, meaning that it's down there. So I think it's downhill or flat, and I only wish. Beautiful hillsides up there, real beautiful. And look there, the blue mountains. You see the fog? I wanna explore those hills so bad. I must spend a week in them hills alone. Thank God. I'm a camera. Yeah. I'm gonna take you all along with me, guys, but y'all will be delayed because I'm not gonna see it until I come out of the bush. But yeah, for instance, I do that mode, I do live footage too. The roadside is so beautiful. And the thing is, you know, a lot of people find fault with these places, but as I heard someone on TikTok the other day saying, an American, she was saying that Americans worked as if they are better off than Jamaicans, and saying that Jamaicans are poor and they live in shacks. They should be ashamed because Jamaicans have got land, nature, and most people who live in the city, them have land a country because them granny live a country. Most people have 2 houses. We have land where we can farm, and it's like no matter where you live you can farm. Because if for the apartment you can find one little patch of dirt or you plant something in one bucket. But yeah, maybe you find a 1% a place where you can't get for farm, but you have your granny yard, you can plant something, or your father yard or your mother yard down a country. So we are rich in the countryside. We've got all of this, and this for me is riches. Yeah, I can see this every day. If I could be out every day, whenever I'd have to stay in one extra day for edit, trust me, I would be out every day. Let me look over there. So, you see that? Nice. Press the picture on here still no guys. I will if I go around here now. Okay. Gully again now guys. The one that look deep. Wonder well deep down there so. So far it's downhill. Just hope it stays like this. But then if we come back up, if we come back up, I gotta have this to climb. Can you imagine? But as I say, I was out doing other business, but I just had to come and do this because I had the time. Well, I thought I had the time, but we still have a little time still down. Guys, I have some, I don't know, I almost reach the community, so I'm going to the road.
There are places on this island that don't disappear overnight. They fade quietly, one family at a time. This is Mount Felix, a mountain community in St. Thomas that once fed markets, raised hundreds of children, and proved what rural Jamaica could become when people worked together. Today, many call it abandoned, but Mount Felix is no ghost. It is a memory, and memories still speak.
Look on them tree there, guys. Tree there straight gone up in the air. What kind of tree them there? This look like somebody a plant lumber. A lumber tree them there, guys. I think so. It's all straight. I'm just straight gone up and it'll look like a light post. It sound like rain a come down. Moving like rain, what me wanna say now? A breeze a blow. Oh, pine trees, guys. Pine trees. So really dope now Jonker Mountain. Basin for true. Or the hill foot of the Jonker Mountains. Those are pine trees. I don't know if the same Canadian company plant them. Like over Somerset. Up where Island it is. But yeah. See like I see something down there so please. Some house down there so through the bush. Look at the community down there so. So maybe I want a river down here so then see some house through the bush. See? But me hear something down here so water. I wonder if a rain will come down if it's a river. Maybe it's a river because community around there somewhere going on so could be a bridge down here. Or the pine tree then. No guys. I swear no. I'm gonna. I'm so big. It's a really huge house. Really huge house. Plantation style house. Down there back. Look like a race everybody drive from. Get away! Get away! Oh, look a bad dog. Big one tie out of the front. I make noise on the little one and start to come. Mother. Right for the road, I'm going to take right for the other one. I'm down. So take that one still on a little clear. And we're going down this one.
High in the hills of eastern Jamaica, near the edge of the Jonker Mountains, Mount Felix sits above the lowlands, overlooking rivers, valleys, and winding roads that once connected it to the rest of the parish. This land is steep, demanding, and unforgiving, and that is exactly why the people who live there mattered. Because nothing in Mount Felix came easy. Long before Mount Felix became a village, this land was part of Jamaica's plantation world. During estates in this region were worked by Africans who cleared hillsides, cut paths, and cultivated crops under brutal conditions. After emancipation in 1834, many formerly people moved into the interior, places like Mount Felix, seeking land, independence, and distance from plantation control. What they built was not wealth, it was survival, and eventually a community.
So the monument here, guys. We hear about a monument here. Have a look on it. And that from here electric wire. Could these be electric wires? I don't even know, you know. I'll go over this too, just to make sure I don't touch them. Here guys, in honor of C.E. Randall and the people of Mount Felix who have started the journey by free labor and constructed a small bridle track into a carriage road leading from Sunny Hill to House Hill, and built the first bridge across the Limebush River. Mount Felix, presented by Norman Reed, David Cooper, Jack Murray Randall, and the people of Mount Felix, August 1st, 2022. Guys, as I tell you, from what I hear about Mount Felix, in 2022, there were only 27 people living here. Yeah? This is the monument. So, we have a further down in the community.
By the late 1800s, Mount Felix had taken shape as a settled district. There was a school, a church, footpaths carved into mountain slopes. Children walked miles to class. Farmers rose before sunrise. Neighbors depended on each other, not by choice, but by necessity. If a bridge washed away, the community rebuilt it. If someone fell ill, everyone felt it.
River down there, guys. And maybe it was the bridge that I pass up there. It could be the bridge we pass up there now, guys. The little track. Maybe that's where the bridge is. I'm not sure. Let me look around here. I think we have a lot of interesting stuff to see around here still, you know. I just feel so. Yeah? Oh, the bridge is down here.
Mount Felix was an agricultural stronghold. Bananas, cocoa, pumpkin, cabbage, ground provisions. Everything had to be carried, sometimes on heads, sometimes on animals.
So guys, we're in Mount Felix in eastern St. Thomas. No shop here. Rest stop. Here people talk over us. That's the river down there. There's a huge building up there, so I'm gonna walk in the building. The old building out there. Let me see the sign. We are entering the Blue and Junco Mountains National Park and the Forest Reserve. Help us protect it. Alright, so we're about the way. That's an old building up there. Wonder what they do up there, so. Wonder if we can go up there. What the look? It's a very old building. Now walk through this way now, guys. See the wall there, come on. So the wall coming around. I wonder if people still live up here, so. For the wall. Oh yeah, the one here, so. But this are the old wall, guys. The entrance was right here, but it blocked up. We go up there, so we go up on the top. And I'm not trust to go, you know, so now I don't see that and all that's through the building. Just can drop down. Yeah, but that's it already. This was old. That's another piece of old building right there. So an old house here. So the bridge I go be my halfway point going back down. So I don't see how far I'm have to walk. That's the house over there. We go further up. And next old building is the right side too. See the guys. Window, so not sure what was here. But it's not all that old as you notice. Space more wall here, right there, so. One cow that down there, so. Another one donkey. And a horse down there too. Yeah, I can go further up.
The turning point came in the early 20th century. A man named Crooks E. Randall arrived in the community in the 1920s.
This community is really
But
abandoned.
what followed was not the
Nobody
work
knows.
of one man.
You see that?
It was collective labor.
I'm alone in the community. You look over there, so. Yo. Man, you like me, you want to bike up in the bush. Let me check the time, guys, because I want to on the safe side. You see that? 8 past 3. Alright, I think we can make it go up there and come back before it gets extra dark. Alright. So, I could do that. When I say dark and spooky, guys, where I come from. And that's where I come from. No wonder no one lives around here anymore. Because no one would want to live around here with it being like this. Yeah? And we still not reach up in the community as yet.
Villagers cleared bush, cut rock, moved earth by hand. Together, they transformed a dangerous bridle path into a real road. In 1929, that road was officially opened. For Mount Felix, it was more than infrastructure. It was connection.
Watch it, guys. Deep, you know. Yo. The one is so dangerous, you know, because it's far out of civilization. It's much farther than ladies feel. It's gonna take me 2 hours to go back on the flat. So I have to make it quick. I'm gonna try squeeze half an hour out of it by going quicker. Yeah? Because in these bushes it get dark when we touch 5 o'clock or 4:30. And it don't seem like I see nothing more up here, so.
Now, with access came opportunity. Market trucks could reach the village. Children filled the classrooms. The primary school swelled to hundreds of students. There were shops, a post office, church services filled with voices. Mount Felix was alive. This was rural Jamaica, functioning at its best. Not dependent, not forgotten.
Watcha. Deep. Drop off that down the same. Come on. Don't worry, guys. So there was a road going up. This looked like a property. I'm not gonna be on it, you know, guys. I'm not gonna be on it. This could be a cow fence. And people put up this one about cow. Because this one of the people is put for a cow. Guys, I'm gonna go down and looking at the next road that they turn off. I'm not going further. Alright. Just out of safety, guys. I think I go out of range, out of my reach. Because I have limited time to get back down on the flat. And at the same time, when we reach back at Sunny Hill, I must get a taxi because taxis in Sunny Hill stop run early, you know. So, and I can't walk back about, you know. Maybe I would have to call Clarity Flex, you know, or Michael Super Awesome. Shout out to them two YouTubers. I'm bridging them, you see me? But if I reach back at Sunny Hill, I must get a taxi, so I'm kind of worried about that at the same time, about the time catching up on me in the bushes. Alright, guys, they don't see all of the house them, but it look like them there on tracks off the main, and I can't find them if I don't know about them there, you know. However, we saw a few of them. Alright, I say I can look on them on the better and I reach back down there too, you know. But this has been a hike and the time wet, so even if I go in the bush, it kind of go set away. Yeah. Really don't want to get stranded up here. I'm trying to go down in the bush down there, so. Alright, so now go back down on the flat right down here, so at the bridge, and see if I can go look on the rest of the house then. Go up on the hill. That better than to go up in the bush, pass a fence, up in one bush like this, and I don't know what's beyond the fence. I'm not take that risk down. I'm alone, alright? So, yeah, gonna bear with me. Why donkey always want to follow me? Look at all those again, guys. This building seems rather huge, you know. Yeah, them calling it thick. That could be down here. Old construction, guys. Can you see how the column them thick? I not even pick the column thick now. They'll build back on something, you know. Something good on it. Wall. That's the back of the house. Something could have been up down here, but I'm not sure. This is the old building. That's the house around there. If you notice, it's built on foundation. All the foundation going around there. I don't know if dog around there, no guys, and a people yard now. Look, see? There's a culvert right here. You know I'm going to people yard and I'm still live there, guys. I swear. But this, I think some water wheel or some function was around here. You can't pinpoint it. But that's what I think. So guys, that house up here, it seems as if someone live up there. That's why I'm really if I'm up there. Look on the landslide over there, so guys. You see that? Landslide that, you know? Close up on the line around there, so. See that? Somebody live up there. I look to me never go up there. Because I don't really want to get no problem with nobody right now. People in these communities where it's so secluded, I prefer if they see me and want to speak with me than me pop up in somebody's yard. Yeah? Beautiful. So the same building. You can see the bridge older than the new construction that is here in man. I know it's not just these houses. Can't just be these houses. More house must there, but I have to find them, guys. So you can slide over this one. And I have to make sure somebody can get taxi to go back home. Yeah guys, so those houses couldn't be all the houses that were in this village. Yeah? I don't think so. So I'm going to find out from the money and reach back up the road. Yeah? I'm here talking over this still. Either talking or a radio. Guys, so remember when it was all downhill? Now look here. Uphill we are going now. Up there so we are going. So it's no longer downhill. Uphill for now until we find back the downhill road them again. Yeah? When you follow me come out of the bush. This one kinda sketchy. Yeah, I don't like that one. I'm not getting a good feeling. Yeah? So we keep up with them. Guys, you know what? I don't like when I go out go look for something and I don't find it. You know, and I feel as if I don't find the community even though I find them buildings, them houses. Yeah? Because I don't find the church. I don't think the church I will find is the church that I search for. You know? But anyway, if you enjoy videos like these, give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel. I subscribe now because that really does help the channel. Blessings to all of those who have been supporting the channel. Blessings to all of those who have been supporting the channel so far. Alright, and if you want to donate to these hikes, there will be a PayPal link provided in the description down below. I thank you all for all your donations. Even if it's $1, it still helps. Yeah? So, I still a try climb them hill, if you reach back on the flat, up at the gentleman yard, and then if you go down off of the hill, which would be much easier. I wet my wet, sir? You know see I'm wet? I'm burning fat and I ain't got any. Yeah? Type walk. If you still here with me, type walk. Now if I look where I'm going, look at the cow them and rule around here. You know? Yeah, them do things in the road. But yeah, if you're still here walking with me, type walk in the comment section down below. Alright? I really appreciate you keeping my company, even though we never really find all about we set out to find. 2 pieces of ruins down the road on the Sunny Hill Road. I'm showing a clip of that on screen right now. Showing the next piece here. This is another piece of the wall here, guys. Colonial construction. Trying not to get person's property in the camera. You notice that? If I reach back out on the main and the time is still bright like this, I'm gonna go down there and I'm gonna show y'all that with this camera, which is a better camera, better quality, so y'all will see that much better than when I saw it the last time. Somebody will come down the road. Yeah. So I see somebody, but I'm not see them on camera. It's not right. So I have to change the battery, you know. Battery are dead. Oh man, this. Oh. Alright, the sun kinda come out as me I come out of the bush. But it's still late. Yeah? It is still late. So all over here. Frog with the hills. Blessed Elder. How much people left living in the community now? Eh? Few, not 2022, them started 27.
27.
That them they say not 2022. That me I realize. You know, I document the community still. I do history and archaeology.
Oh, yeah, document the place.
Yeah, you know.
Oh.
I never know if you want it on camera. That's why I never turn the camera up on you. I just make it turn back, isn't it?
Yes.
Turn it back to the camera.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
What's your name still? You live in the community?
Yeah, man, I live in the community.
Okay. What's your name?
My name Phillips, you know.
Phillips.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you the Gleaner did interview when they come up here? Are you Mr. on the Gleaner page?
You this me on there, you know.
I see a picture with a man at the interview where him say, like when he get up in the morning, he just walk go down a Sunny Hill because nobody know up here. He walk go a Sunny Hill in the morning and just walk come back up in the evening.
Then.
I know you.
I know me.
Okay.
Because I don't have them the time to just do
Okay,
that.
yeah. You do farming?
Yes.
Alright, I understand. Yeah. But what people don't know now, you see somebody live in a community like this, them want to move out. But somebody who live in the city would prefer to come in a community like this, come live.
Enough people don't know that.
People abroad, when them see places like these.
Know that, man.
Yeah, when people abroad see places like these, at places like these, they want away from the hustle and the bustle. You know?
You know, it's a paradise.
Paradise.
Is it? He's a man, you know, me used to grow on more time, you know. And since me start growing now, I start find out about them places we live in paradise.
Paradise, you don't have no whole heap of people that mess with you and them things.
Some water when me see people I use here.
Everywhere you go up, you see you have water. All if you don't have water pipe, you still have water.
And some me know say them a place here paradise.
Alright.
Yeah,
Total
man.
spring water you have up here, so.
All the river water, man, come from you see the Blue Mountain, same water.
And it's clean because nobody no there above you use it.
District, not you see what I talk about here, man.
Isn't
No
it?
district at the top away. District is up there one time, you know.
Okay.
But the population drift.
Yeah, because I go straight up to where I see one wire across the road, you know.
Oh.
Pass the bridge and go up.
Yeah.
And I say I'm not going no further because that look like a cow wire.
Yes.
You see me?
But you see after you pass the wire and go up now, then call it was a Glade Mile.
Oh.
A Glade Mile district is up there, so.
Eh?
Yeah, man, Glade Mile, man. You have cross pass up there, so you know. When
Yeah.
you come in the gap, a cross pass you have, you know.
Oh, that's
When
up
you
at
come
the
down, you
house.
follow down a bridge, you know. You call it some Mount Felix.
I don't get near Mount Felix
Yes,
because I
the
see
school. You look and see the school over there. Yes.
and I see the monument. So
Yes.
I say, on the video, I say, anywhere the monument there, either the start of the community or the middle of the community.
I must say,
And from what me see,
you know.
and from what me see, at the middle.
I migrate, man.
Alright,
Because
so
the school, you say, the whole of we go to school, you know.
Okay.
And that's how me go to school, I no go no more school, you know.
And the building up on the top, that was the church, the first church.
Yes.
Okay, I mean, you know,
Each part you see one big house, the side of it.
yeah, I want little part where they go under for go up.
Yeah.
Me see it, you know, because from my company, I say, I want to see the church, because the church was built in 1857, you know. It and the school built same time, you know.
Enough picnic Christian at the church,
Yes,
man.
it and the school built same time. It was almost the two first building. Yeah, you see me? And the man who name Mr. Randall.
Yes.
Him did really do them thing there with all the road and them thing there.
Yes, I him.
You see me?
I'm with the road.
Because no school, because children never really have no road.
Yeah.
So they make sure it's a church and a school there up here. You know,
Yeah.
remember it was a plantation community, you know, coming from unpaid labor.
Yeah,
you know, after the abolition in 1834 after emancipation, a lot of people do want land on them things there. So that's why them really choose them places. So the road never there, and when that man come here, them realize say, well, Pitney there for school and them thing there. And people need religion.
Yeah.
So them do the church and the school.
Yeah.
Until they start do the road.
True.
And the bridge.
True, man.
Yeah. So when I read about up I say, I really have to come up here, come document this and see it for myself.
True, man. I still Randa live.
Yes. And that's why I make the cut. That straight up.
Straight up in the hills where
I forgot have a whole day if you do that.
Yeah, man, a whole still Randa they live, man.
And the slavery the same way.
Everything must be there. Same way.
The whole ruins
because there. And seeing house is there on hillside.
Oh.
Like. You understand what I mean?
So how far from the bridge?
It's a good walk, you know. But here and now.
But like friends, you got Sun Hill?
Yeah, about if I know, I think about the same, you know.
Oh.
But the difference
Only for bad co up there.
No, man, no, you pack on up no like one time.
That's my only fear, you know.
Yeah, one and no bad corner, you did just again.
That's why I'm not going to pass the fence, you know.
Me? Yeah. Then first time, man, you used to have cows up there a lot, but through the population drift, I see where everything drift.
Okay.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
So, as you go up there and you start examining the place, you say yes, it was the real place with you.
True.
You understand what I mean?
Go up there one day, you know.
Yeah, man, you can't go look, man.
I'll go up there one day.
And here are the road now. The levelest part of the road up there. So you know, find out when you start, when you go over the hill there, when you go over, as you go up and go up,
it kind of get smooth.
You know, see the road side most, well, when you go up more, a level road.
Me
I tell you, man, from Sun Hill, if you come across pass, and they saw the agony, you know.
Oh, the whole up here said it fix.
Eh?
The whole up here said it fix go right up.
Yes.
Because I can see them road that they do one time.
Yes, because here I know, Randall used to plant a whole banana.
Oh.
So trucks used to come up here, come trucks the banana and can go off.
Okay.
So the road is enough in action all the time.
That was the main purpose then for the truck them come up here?
Yes. Because remember them telling me, boy, when me want to catch a truck, me have to go special place to locate that truck to catch it. Because truck a fly upon the road like
truck a fly past. When they left back, them a fly past.
Then me not tell you, man. Me not tell you, man. And now like now you can't stop anywhere and go upon a truck. You have to go which part the money or catch a gear.
True.
You know?
True.
You have to locate right there, so.
Oh, you have
and have to catch a gear.
You have the truck.
Yeah, pan. You know what you have for a pan, man, because the money you're not top for no man special. I tell you, man. So, but me, at the right so man, there reason, you know what we are tell you from which part we know.
That me realize. So if me I go house hill, would have left Sun Hill about 8 o'clock in the morning then?
8 o'clock. Yes, I feel him can left earlier.
Okay.
And you have to carry your food and everything. You understand what I mean?
True.
Because you go hungry when you go to the bush, you know.
And no shop no up there.
Shop? You just ask me something. You just ask me something, man.
Yeah, you know.
You just ask me something, man.
You know?
All right, don't bridge the population stop, man.
Okay, I realize that, man.
Yeah.
Me?
Couple big houses upon the
because as me I tell you, you know, I read about up here from in the 2022.
In our history.
And yeah, I read about the history up here, but I say from 2022, me hear say, yo, nobody know up here. And a man I say, yo, him left out every morning and go down a Sun Hill. That mean nothing really know up here for sure. When I look on satellite footage, I see some house up in our hill, on the top of our hill. About 7 houses, and then just in our little cluster.
Yeah.
It's like how them building that stay down a bridge.
Yeah.
I saw them stay up on the hill.
Yeah.
And I see them and I say, this look one way.
Yeah.
It look like either I'm gonna plant herbs.
Yeah.
But at the same time it could be one church.
Yes.
And if it's a church that are dangerous, something make them up there so.
Yes.
You
Now there's some special herbs that go on.
Or the cult thing that I can.
You know, I know about some special work when I go on there. Read.
Some building up there, man. Is it?
That's how I up on when you go up on the hill.
No, man, me look from satellite footage. Me see them up on top of one of them hill. Right up in the pinnacle of the hill. Me I talk about like the middle hill where you take. Any one of them hill where you go across when you go down on the next side of Portland you go. Up on the top of the hill. Me think of that middle one right there.
What if I feel?
No, man, I higher than Yearfield, man.
I am more Yearfield.
We up on top of one of them hill. One of them big hill. You see me? Yeah. About seven house.
White all man them a race on white.
About 7 house and them just there. Let me show it from my phone.
A camp man.
I'll show you.
A camp man.
Then house they look like the roof them pan the house they look proper still, you know.
Yes, but if the man
I talk about roof like how that they pan.
Yes, they go to proper because the man they hear some white all man up in the hills there raise livestock, you know. And a plant them and something there. But I saw it then there that a pan Craighead side.
Okay.
So I don't know if I see him place to see pan Craighead side there.
Hold on, let me look. I look at the internet now pick up in a little circle and it always a pick up from one.
Come across far.
Alright.
Because down a sort kind of low, not even phone. You know, pick
I
up.
don't realize because it pick up along a bridge, you know.
Yes. But on the hill up here now,
That
pick up.
realize.
You have to go up on the hill then where everything clear.
Oh,
And you
true.
see everything. When me down there, I want to make a phone call up and I have to come, man.
Oh. So you see me when me pass I go down?
No.
Are you live over here or dog then there?
No, I'm not tell you say over the school, man.
Over school you come from?
No, me live up, you see what you see? Me live, you see? You see when you go to the school, get you see one road turn on by your left there.
Yeah.
Well, down in the valley there me live.
Oh, okay.
You understand what I mean?
Okay.
So which part you see over the school there, some man lease the headman property over there, you know? Yeah, my headman property and some man lease it and I raising livestock.
Oh, I never go too far over the stick. I
Goat
true, nobody. I don't want
Nobody know
intrude
over
on
there.
nobody. Okay.
Nobody know over there. Only one big fuck have the road they lie down way. If you have Chevy pass it, me want damage you.
Oh.
I'm an arrange in place, you know? I can't blame me, can't walk back goat over there
And down at the yard, down at the yard, down here, set a dog over there. Some bad dog.
Don't I wish you.
I eat at the school?
Yes, man. You see the school, man?
I eat at the school?
Yeah, man.
Where it go around one little corner?
Yes, man.
The dog run out for me for true, man.
Yeah, man,
somebody, you know, so I think somebody live over there?
But you know, live over there too, man.
Oh.
They live over there, you know.
And them drive? Is
Yes, they drive a van.
Is a overseer house that from plantation days, you know? That's why you say Edmund house. Is a overseer house, the property. That property there a long time, you know.
Then the headman in control it, man.
No, me understand what you say when you say Edmund. Me never understand the term. That I will call background master, no?
Yeah, some red people, you know.
Red people.
Some red people, and me come, as a youth come, you say their name, headman.
Oh.
You understand me? So,
okay.
It come like a them gear, the government, the place to build the school.
Oh.
And the cottage where you see there. You understand I mean?
Because the whole of the plantation, them up here. Whole of the plantation, them up here connected, you know. Everybody is like, from back then, from Ladiesfield, Grumpy and Cotton Tree, the whole of them, the master, them connected.
Yeah.
Because either them there with, or them there take with somebody wife, or the whole of them come from Scotland, the same place.
Yeah.
Them connected, isn't it?
Yeah, me get a teaching there at school.
So enough of the pitney them still come up connected. So watch you know.
Me get a teaching
You
there.
and one of them people will be brother or sister. But you don't know because you see after the parents die, them get rid of the document because them not like the darker side of them family.
Yeah.
Because whole heap of people up here family and they don't know.
Yeah.
Because it's a ladies feel what it over there so.
Yeah.
Because whole heap of pitney for born around here.
Yeah. Yeah, man,
You
me
see
hear,
me?
man, me hear, man.
Alright.
I want of my niece. She go where she there Canada.
That's why it's
come
much
back
sight.
and she talk. She say the whole of we up here, a family.
That's why it's much force.
Yes. Yes.
That come
Real,
from
man.
Philip Forsyth, where they go on ladies field.
Yeah.
Philip, William, and I think Samuel Forsyth.
Well, I don't know but a Philip name, you know. My daddy name Phillips, you know.
Oh.
You understand what I mean? So,
True.
me a Phillips.
The Phillips name I come from far too, you know.
Yeah, me just say at Portland it a come from.
Yeah, and I have whole heap of land. That's one of the things him left.
Yeah.
Because when I tell them to, you know, you see, I sleep sometime, him way, say him there with a black woman and get a pitney.
Yeah.
Him may not like that pitney than this band,
Yeah.
and this band the woman and the pitney, but then they get some of them like to,
Yeah.
and them give them name.
Yeah.
You see the one a grandpian, him have a daughter,
Yeah.
and him have a black son who him get with a woman, a mulata woman,
Yeah.
and him no will out nothing to the daughter. And the son him give everything.
Yeah.
So everything passed down.
True,
Is it
man.
made them name Mac Etchern?
True.
Mac Etchern or something like so them name, is it?
Yeah, the name keep going on.
Yes, man. Family,
So the internet pick up that.
when I go back down deal now. I have several community where stay like this. Where
Me not say no still,
it make the people them move out here and it's not nice because the road's supposed to maintain because a public road, isn't it? And then when people move out,
You know, say people are always over there, so I remember God with
always, because people, you see communities are like this where people move out and then by a quint people start move back in, you know.
These people always over there, so man,
Always.
that's one nice place, man.
Yes.
A healthy place.
The air fresh, yo.
Let me tell you, man, you know, man.
Alright.
You know what, say, Jamaican man, they come up here already, you know. You know figure about it. And like half up here, you know.
Oh.
You hear me?
Anybody will love up here, so.
The man like half up here, you know. You say the man a got a house, you know. And landslide come on every road, you know. And that man take shovel and clean it too. And that's the goal, you know.
What you mean?
And I say him have whole heap of plans see up here. And first thing you say, him a go walk my coffee farm up in the same house there.
Okay.
You understand what I mean?
Wow.
That's before him pass away, you know.
Jano.
The man say, I walk my coffee farm.
That man had a lot of dreams for Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, and it no work out, you know.
You know?
And you see where them plant up there now do. Pure pine.
Be a pine.
Yeah. Pine can yam. You know say me have a
Pine
dream.
don't go make you think so rain and fall when you pass them.
Hey, me you know say me have a dream. Over the same house there and the first thing I got start the dream. You know? Come like say the man first if you tell him. When I tell the dream, so you see when you got a house here, the whole house here, you know, you have to say a farm, you know. Enough is food where you can think of. Out there, you know, all different type of food, you know.
All different type of food.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah,
It's
no.
like say the youth then come together now. And the whole of them dwell up in the hills.
And a farm.
And a farm. And them a do the farming, you know. Where them don't remember if you, and you know say you have higher man who control certain things still, you know. Like say, we would have supervisor them, like.
True.
We would have take care of everything, you know. Because me on there and say, bigger man a drive in same way, you know. And I come in, come deal with me up there, you know. Because I meet up there too, you know. You understand what I mean?
So up a house in a bush, you know.
Yes, because if no pine walk.
Oh, okay.
Pine tree take over the whole of the hills there, you know, I am man. Plant out with pine, you know. So you know, see it, you know, take care and cast in the hills.
Yeah, it's a Canadian company who own the pine tree there, you know.
Why? I think I hear so, you know. You know, see
I
it.
don't know what them do with them still, but them.
I don't know, you know, but you see which part of pine them plant? You can't go do nothing like farming, you know. You know what that do?
No. I saw up our island head stay. I go one
Nah,
place.
come. Not where you plant
No.
the pine tree, nah, come.
No.
It a fade.
I go up one place named Island head, you know. When I go Somerset up at Trinity and go up
Yeah.
and be a pine tree up there. I find one building up there named the Island head plantation.
Yeah.
The Island head great house. And I see him say you can't plant nothing under the pine tree them. Only grass alone grow under them. And I just some short grass. The short pretty grass them.
You see before them come with this pine plantation, some elder man used to tell me the same thing, you know. Say, no come on I pine tree them there, you know. All them do a kill out down to grass. Then suck the kill
I
out.
just
you know.
some little short grass. You know the little pretty grass?
Me know
And them
where
alone
I
grow
talk
under
about,
them.
man, because here I know. You see the leaf what you off of them, they come like so they leave them.
Like poison in it.
Poison.
And the little thing them a grow up on it.
Then nothing can come. And it. So me have to right kill.
So it's a trick.
Yeah, it's a trick. You know, boy, me feel say I kill them a whole young poor man to come work in the industry, man.
You see, when you look on satellite footage, you know, the whole of down from Bath Road that come up here, you feel there's so much farmland there with cut down and pretty, and nobody now do nothing over there. It's like them have a plan.
But I don't know about that. Me kind of seen myself.
And every day we hear so war out for start and this and that.
And that missing on myself. So boy, I hold on poor people because when we look on wholesale, they shouldn't plant out wholesale number.
No.
Because all poor people will survive when they take the whole land. Remember saying everybody have a square land for themselves, you know. You understand what I mean?
And everybody have land. And can't just take with the land, so yo.
But these are man, sometimes I see certain things I not talk, you know.
True.
You are seeing?
True.
Yeah man, real man.
Most of the plant you couldn't get.
You get plant no more banana. Oh, what?
Not even the little flimsy banana them you can't find, yo. You know?
Yeah, see banana chips like one time?
No.
Alright.
Hardly I see banana chips.
Ah, yeah, mostly plantain chips.
Plantain chips.
You might see them come with.
Not even see
And
potato.
what in a banana? Do in a plantain.
You not even see potato chips neither.
Me say what in a banana?
Do in a plantain.
Do in a
No.
plantain.
Iron.
Alright. Alright. Good. Reality we are dealing with in
Reality, man.
Good.
Banana provide iron, you know.
I tell you, man.
Easy, man.
Them boiled banana, man. When you get up and boil cup of boiled banana and eat cup of boiled banana with your provision, come like you never want nothing more food.
Alright. Alright.
You know, see it?
You know?
Because you're not hungry. So
But
easy.
they don't want if you have them thing there, yo. They want to eat the thing them with them make, with them process.
Alright. Because I know so the man must see the light enough things, you know.
I mean, man.
Whoa.
You see what I go on.
The man must see the light enough things. And me say, when me attack, if a foolish is me attack, tell me say a foolish is me attack.
You know?
Oh, whoa.
Them places, one time I come all of them places, you know, man. You see mango beer all year round, you know.
Tell you, man.
St. Thomas is a place for breadfruit and mango and ackee beer all year round. There's always a tree of beer. I'm surprised how I not see that.
Yeah, see, but not like first.
Not like first.
Not like first.
You know?
Remember say, you know, the big man we used to plant the banana them out, so they not plant a banana again, you know.
They not plant again.
You understand what I mean? So the poor man now.
Man, they start plant quick crop, sweet pepper.
Alright, alright. Some things.
And everybody start to plant the same thing.
Yes. I come like it's a competition thing, you know.
Then
the poor people know if we keep it going.
you know?
And the poor people know if we keep it going, you know, start. To make people can get them something to feed pan same way, you know. Because big man are busy with it again like first.
Okay.
I don't know why. Because they used to do it at Golden Grove. And all banana workers fire. No more banana again for the estate. I don't know, me not go on the thing know if an animal them are raised around there.
I don't know what them are doing around there, you know.
Yeah?
I don't know what them are doing around there.
Oh, what? But no banana like first. A food like banana. In the highland.
Something we need and something where we depend on, something where we
This
eat.
year hit me grew up.
Alright. You know much banana I'll meet.
Alright, when me a youth,
Just banana and cooking
come
oil.
like I hit the people and grow with pan.
Alright. Sometimes
see?
nothing else we not have yo, just banana and little cooking oil and crush the
I tell
banana.
you think it over you.
Oh you mean? And that nice too.
Good, good.
The little salt sprinkle extra on there.
Alright,
Grandmother said no put no more salt in there.
Alright, you think it over you?
You know? Yes,
and
man.
the real coconut oil.
Real coconut oil.
Good.
You know?
So, I don't know what them are dealing with, you know, but I see everything we are going
Yes, we are going on.
We just go on easy, plan food for me. I never talk about selling special, but I know say you have to plan food for me.
Yeah, you know?
Yes.
And if you can eat a food off it, you eat a money off.
Alright.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, but I not do it special, say me I do it for money.
Oh, true.
Because sometimes it was training too much. You understand what I mean? But you see, me not let out me go and make me plan something for me eat. Because most of those things where they have them take fertilizer, grow it and
Be a fertilizer and then call it organic when I be a fertilizer in there.
alright.
Everybody said them do organic farming and be a fertilizer.
Alright.
You know?
You know? So, me I know. Me not sure fertilizer in my go. Me know say me can't do it without it. Because no care what you do. You have to go involved with it.
True.
You understand what I mean? But try to ease off the amount.
Yeah, you know? I use
That me can do.
a little old fashioned thing them we normally use.
Yes. Yes.
You know?
Yes, they eat half the amount.
Mm.
Because now the sugar, they have the fertilizer same way. Only can stick to the root.
Mm-hmm.
You know? And feed it from the whole time thing we born from seed. The people they have, we have feed it
You know, I'm gonna drink also some sickness, some arrowroot porridge.
to rot it. You know?
Long time I'm gonna drink some arrowroot porridge,
man.
man.
The Chinese root, you have the corn, you have the twigs, you know.
Eh?
They are natural man food, you know.
Yeah.
Well, the twigs now, a special man know it.
Okay.
And know where it is,
Oh.
you know.
Mm-hmm.
So, them don't know kind of hold that. No, they're not. Them, man, they're not easy, man. You have to beg them peace if you want peace, man.
Yeah, no, I make nobody know where it there.
No.
Jano.
No. I give them my money and then give a piece of twigs.
Jano.
And that twigs are the main one because it works on your back.
Oh.
You know?
For real.
You know what twigs do?
No, I don't know it, you know.
You know what twigs do, man?
At first, I hear about
Like
it, you know.
jackfruit. When you chop jackfruit and see that stain there, it up in it. That's so the stain in the twigs.
Oh.
It's a vein like, you know. Yeah.
Where the boiled tea with it or you
Tea
drink
with
it?
it, man.
Okay.
You boil, you know prawn,
No, I don't know that one then either.
and you know the Chinese root.
Me hear about China root.
You hear about Chinese root?
Yeah.
Well, I share them, most of them boil.
Oh.
Quids, the prawn, and the Chinese root.
China root or chain root? The one red?
Chinese root.
And you can use it boil all rice and it look like rice and peas.
Chinese root.
Yeah, man.
I see Chinese root.
Use it boil rice and it look like rice and peas. You're red.
Yeah.
You see me?
In food, they are really roots food, them, you know?
Yeah, man.
Clean you out and build you and make you healthy. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, blessings. So that was a part of the Mount Felix community, the abandoned community of Mount Felix. We did not find all of the community, all of the houses in the community, because a lot of these houses are on tracks that are off the main. It would really be a risk going in search of those places with the tracks overgrown and me having a lack of knowledge of where these places are. Alright, this place where the dog ran out on me, that is what the gentleman was referring to as the school. Alright, the one with the entrance, which I said I did not want to go up in because of the way it looked, that's the church I was actually looking for, but I did not know at the time. Alright, the ruins that I promised to show you guys, that I show you a part of, when editing I realized that the footage in that you could see the video on YouTube. So I'm gonna put the link in the description where you can watch that video. It's really interesting. I would rate this hike, I'd give this hike a 5, and I would give it a 3 for discovery. Let me know what you think. And until we meet here again on Elite Jamaica, just want to say thank you for watching and stay blessed. Why Gypsy have follow me? Gypsy. Nice, Gypsy there, you know. Somebody told me they want to see Gypsy. Come. Alright, we'll do enough to come outside. Yeah, peeps, so y'all stay safe and have a wonderful day. See you in the next one.